A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land.
Okay, so let's say I'm doing homework, a test, a quiz, anything, and it's multiple choice, right? And I need to find the answer to this. And I search it up in Google, and this site pops up. And I'm like, well, Google says this has my question and my answer, but all the answers are blurred out. And if you're on computer, what you can do is Control F and make sure your question is in here. If you're not on a computer, you can go to the three dots, settings, or whatever on your phone or tablet and click Final Page. I do recommend if you're doing it on tablet or phone to do it in desktop mode. Most phones have that option to do it in desktop mode, like Chrome, if you're on Chrome or Internet. Safari, I'm not sure. I never use Safari, but I know Chrome and Internet Explorer will have this option, like desktop mode on phones. So you're going to click Final Page on whatever device you're on, and you can do it that way too. And it'll populate here, highlighted. So I have my question. Now I need my answer. There's two ways to do this. So first option, what you're going to do is you're going to search up every single possible option. I searched up A, it didn't highlight next to it. I searched up B, it didn't highlight next to it. C, didn't highlight next to it. What I can assume is that it will be D. But to make sure that it's D, I'm going to copy. And I'm going to come here, and again, Control F or three dots, Final Page, and I'm going to paste in my answer. And there it goes. So it populates twice because this is a Quizlet I made, so I know the correct answer. So it populates twice because both of these get the same answer. But anyways, it's going to show like that. Another way to do it, there's two ways to do it, especially on Quizlets, because what blurs it out is Quizlet, the site Bardly, Course Hero, things like that. Sites like that will blur it out. So you can do it that way that I just showed you, or you can do it another way. So just to make sure that my paste options is cleared, this is what's in my paste options right now, right? So on Quizlet allows me to do, some sites do this, some sites don't. I can actually highlight this and right click on it and copy it. And then I come to my notes, paste, there's my answer. So there's two ways to do it. But again, you can't always rely on sites like this because everybody can be wrong once, but if you have no other option to do, or you don't want to do any more research, you want to stick with the site you're on, and you want to do the blurred site, then you can use these methods. But yeah, that's it.